Okay, the inverse cosine of 1 out of root 2 is actually equals to 45 degrees. In radian form it is pi out of 4 radians. The inverse of tangent of a negative 1 out of root 3 gives us negative 30 degrees. So the basic angle is actually 30 degrees. So if you want the exact form, actually it's equals to negative 30 degrees or negative pi of 6 in radians. Part B. We want to find the square of pi out of 12. Here is actually equals to sine square 15 degrees. Okay, we can see that this is actually 15 degrees actually equals to 45 degrees minus 30 degrees. Or we can say that it's actually pi out of 4 minus pi out of 6 in radian form. So using the sine formula, the factor formula, okay, we get a sine pi over 4 times cosine pi over 6 minus cosine pi over 4 times sine pi over 6, and square this whole thing because it's sine square. Okay, and these are standard values. Sine of 45 degrees or sine pi over 4 is actually 1 over root 2. Cosine of pi over 6 is actually root 3 over 2. Cosine pi over 4 is 1 over root 2, and sine pi over 6 is half. So putting these terms together and simplifying, we get root 3 minus 1 out of 2 root 2 squared. Now squaring this entire expression gives us 3 minus 2 root 3 plus 1 out of 8. Dividing throughout by 2, we get 2 minus root 3 out of 4 as shown. Finally, we want to find sine 70 degrees plus sine 50 out of cosine 70 degrees plus cosine 50 degrees. So once again, we use the formula in the formula sheet, the factor formula. So sine plus sine is actually equals to 2 times sine half of angle A plus B times cosine of the difference between A and B out of 2. And the formula for cosine plus cosine is 2 times cosine the half of 70 plus 50 times cosine half of 70 minus 50 degrees. So as you can see from here, 2 and 2, cosine 10 degrees and cosine 10 degrees will reduce itself and be cancelled away. So what we are left is sine 60 degrees out of cosine 60 degrees, which is actually equals to tangent 60 degrees. And tangent 60 degrees is equals to root of 3. Thank you.